A wired network is when there is an Ethernet cable connected from each port linking one device to another, therefore establishing a network connection. Even when there are multiple devices in different areas of a property, a cable connects to each component separately. Generally, a hub, router or switch is required to operate numerous PCs. Cat6 cable is the standard wire used, and many new homes are being pre-wired during construction to save time, effort and money at the same time as future-proofing their houses for the years to come. Wireless network. As the name suggests, wireless networks operate wirelessly. To use a wireless network, a modem, preferably with more than one Ethernet connection, is required. One cable runs from the internet access point to the modem, then a system transmitting radio waves enables components to connect without running a cable between each device. The advantages of a wired system. There is greater speed effectiveness and efficiency, higher security levels as the data is transmitted via direct hardwire connection, people cannot access the network. It enables devices to connect together and allows people to utilise technological developments in the future. It allows greater compatibility when it comes to transmitting data. That means higher speed connections, which ensure downloads and updates are quick and easy while still maintaining quality and reliability. The advantages of a wireless system. You receive greater mobility. Wireless gives you access whenever a Wi-Fi network is available, allowing you to move around quite freely without the hassle of having to connect to any cable. There is no messy cables running from place to place or worries about where and how to hide the cable. Enables wireless printing and scanning, which can be very handy, and it's fairly easy to set up. The disadvantages of a wired system. PCs will only work where there is a data port to connect to, which is a massive mobility restriction in comparison to the freedom wireless allows. Running the cable throughout existing properties can be a little trickier, especially if the house has more than one level. Hiring a trained professional could save you time and money in the end. Since cabling needs to be connected separately to each device, you have to find ways to hide the cable in each instance. However, with the use of cavity walls and ducting, you can achieve a nice clean job. Disadvantages of a wireless system. The greater the distance between the device and the available Wi-Fi connection can affect wireless performance levels. Some people complain of wireless randomly disconnecting, failing to stay connected during long sessions, and struggling with features such as recording. Lower data transfers rates may weaken streaming ability, and wireless connections are susceptible to higher security risks unless necessary precautions are taken. A few handy tips to remember. Always remember to secure your network so no one else can access and use your data. If you are having any problems with your wireless connection but don't want to switch to a wired network, you may find a power line adapter efficient enough. Cat5 cabling is fairly cheap and commonly considered a worthy investment. According to 2008 documents, wired systems run at 100 megabytes per second, while the fastest wireless is 54 megabytes per second. This isn't a concern unless you want to game access to high-speed networking or connecting computers together to share information.